To export an MP4 from After Effects, you'll need to use Adobe Media Encoder. This additional piece of software is included when you have a Premiere Pro or After Effects subscription and should have automatically been installed alongside After Effects. If not, you may need to go to the Adobe website and download and install it. With Media Encoder installed, go back into After Effects, and when you're ready to export, go to Composition in the menu item and select Add to Media Encoder Queue. Media Encoder will now open, and in this window you have more control over the format you export in. With your composition in the render queue, the first option you'll want to change is Format, and for this you want to select H264. You also have further control here over the specific format that you want to choose, and in this example we're going to choose the simple 1080 YouTube web option. In the final window you can choose the name and destination of your exported composition, and when finished, hit the green play button to start your export.